Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com, and today we're going to show you how to load a safety razor. I know it's easy to load a safety razor, guys, but believe it or not, a lot of people do email us and ask us how to do that. So today we're going to show you on two different types of safety razors that you guys can use. Okay guys, so today we're going to use two different types of safety razors. We're going to use our classic safety razor that has like this screw mechanism at the bottom where you kind of screw it a certain way. So let's say I'm screwing it to my left and it opens up, and then I go ahead and screw it to my right and it closes up. This is your traditional style, classic 1920s razor that we have here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to load our other classic, which is our signature razor. And this one has a screw at the bottom basically of the top of the safety razor that you screw into. You want to go ahead and you want to unscrew that just like this. Put that part down and you can open it up like that and go ahead and put your blade on there. I'm going to show you guys that right now. So as you can see, once again, screw it closed and then you can start your shave basically. And again, this is our classic where you kind of just screw the bottom and open like that. And today we're going to go ahead and use our signature double-edged razors. All right, and that comes in a pack of 100. And you just want to open that up. And as you can see, it's not like the straight razor. If we were using a straight razor, we would go ahead and we'll break that blade in half. We usually would have took it, if you guys saw a straight razor video, how to load a straight razor, you would snap that in half. But today we're not going to be snapping that in half because we're using a safety razor. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to load the classic first. Open it up all the way. You're going to go ahead and drop your blade in there. Be very, very careful with your hands, as you can see. And as simple as that, guys, you put it in there and you go ahead and close it up, all right? And as you can see, you have a blade on this side and you have your blade on this side that you can go ahead and start shaving with. All right, guys, if you guys are interested in learning how to use a safety razor, we have a full shave video coming soon, as well as we do have a full head shave video using a safety razor with our guy Derek that works here at Easy Blade. And he shaved his head for the first time using a safety razor. It's a pretty cool video. You guys can go ahead and check that out. I'll link that below. And this is how you unload it. So pretty much with a safety razor, what's cool about having safety razors, they're gonna last you a lifetime. So you can pretty much shave with this one razor. If you're shaving yourself, you can go ahead and shave with this one razor plenty of times until the razor gets dull. As barbers, a lot of barbers have to change the razor every time because, you know, for sanitary purposes. All right, guys, and this is how you're gonna unload this thing. You're gonna screw like this, and you're gonna take the blade out just like that. All right, let's do that again, one more time. Screw it closed, and open it up. All right, guys, so that's how you load that particular safety razor. Now we're gonna go ahead with our signature. Unscrew the bottom. Take it off. Then you're going to take your razor and you're going to go ahead and put it on like that. And as you can see, the straight razors are made for that. Okay. Then you want to go ahead and take the top, put that back on. Okay. Make sure you can see the blade, it's in the right place. Okay. Then you want to just screw the bottom. It's that easy. Make sure it's nice and tight, and as you can see, you have your blade here, and you have your blade here. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you guys out a lot. Again, a lot of people are using safety razors because they're just a better alternative than the regular razors, but if you do, you know, want to try it out, guys, like I said, we'll have a full video coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks a lot.